Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to become an IAS officer, watch this video carefully. In this video, I am going to show you what is meant by UPSC exam. UPSC is nothing but Union Public Service Commission. This exam is all about the civil services. I am gonna clarify the doubts regarding to the UPSC exams. Many students studying 8th standard or higher classes, they have the doubt what is UPSC. So I am gonna clear it. Okay, the next one is work under. So we want to work under. Means the UPSC participants under the recruitment agency for Government of India. Recruit is nothing but a person who joins a new organization, not organization, in any job. Okay, next I'm gonna show you the recruit candidates for. The first one is All India Services, and next Central Services and Armed Forces. These are all the categories. For example, IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS, IAS, ESE, CDS, NDA, etc. There are, I think, more than 25 there are. First one is, we all know that IAS is Indian Administrative System, and the second one is Indian Police Service and Indian Forest Service and Indian Revenue Service, Indian Economic Service. There's an option. You can choose the category whatever you want. If you want to join in armed forces, you can take CDS and NDA. NDA is Air Force and CDS is Combined Defense, something like that. You can choose the category whatever you want. There are lots of benefits in UPSC exam. Okay, the next one is, the headquarters of the UPSC is located in New Delhi, and more important thing is, everyone thought we want to be a topper for becoming an IAS officer. That's not true. Please erase that from your mind. And the percentage needed is no percentage needed. You just have to pass, and you must finish the graduate. You don't want to be a topper, okay? And the next one is, you want to be a citizen of India. These are all the most important thing. Next, the most important question is, how many attempts are there? It was very important. For general candidates, there are 6 attempts, and for SC or ST, no limits. You can try. And for OBC, there are 9 attempts. Most frequently asked question is the percentage. The chance of selection is 0.21%. And the next one is UPSC exam eligibility, which is the age limit. Age 21 to 32 years. Anyone who can apply for this exam in this age. There is no degree for this specific degree. There is nothing. Next one is the exam frequency, which is nothing. Everyone knows that every year. The most important thing is, I was amazed because more than 11 lakh filled forms in India, but the prelims were 5 lakhs and the qualifiers were just 15,445, and for interview they took only 2,955 candidates. Don't get afraid of that. Don't get afraid of the counts of the people who are writing this exam. All you need is hard work, focus and concentration. If you follow these 3 things you must achieve your goal. Please don't get scared of the counts. Okay. Then last but not the least, the UPSC exam stages. We have to focus in this. The first one is preliminary examination. For preliminary examinations, there are two papers. We have to take 400 marks in that, and it is all about the normal book syllabus. And if you pass that, you move to the main exam, which is the second one. It consisted of 9 papers. It was full of technical questions and general studies questions. And if you are qualified in that exam, you will move to the personality test. The personality test, what is that? Don't get afraid of that. That's nothing but the interview. That was the most difficult one. Okay. These are all the most important basic things to know before writing the UPSC exam. If you're studying the schools, you don't have to worry. The best day to prepare is today. Start preparing from today. Understand your lessons. Don't muck up. Try to gain more knowledge by reading newspapers, by seeing news channels. Don't waste your time. Because time never wait for us. So focus, hard work, and concentrate. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts regarding to this news, ask me in the comment section. Subscribe to meet us again.